Hello my name is กันตพงษ์เปสุพงษ์วันนี้ผมจะมาพูดเรื่อง My Family ครับ My family is very special to me. We always love, have and take care of one another. On we like to spend time together by watching movie, cooking, or going out for dinner. Everyone and my family is kind and Denmark of home full of happiness. I feel safe and comfortable when I am with my family. No matter what happens, my family and work support and sustain beside me. Thank you, teacher.